Ever wanted to be able to easily update your wp-config file, adjust htaccess rules, or check a log file? Traditionally, this meant firing up an FTP client, messing around with credentials, or perhaps, worst of all, logging into that dreaded clunky hosting admin control panel. Fortunately, with RunCloud's built-in file manager, all of this couldn't be easier. So, in this video, we'll cover exactly that: RunCloud's file manager, where to locate it, and how you can use it. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your RunCloud dashboard, and once logged in, navigate to your preferred space. In this account, we'll be using the Acme Hosting Inc. workspace, as we already have a server connected here. File management in RunCloud takes place at the web application level. So to access the file manager, simply navigate to the web application you'd like to manage the file system of. In this case, we just have the one Bark and Order server. So we're going to navigate to that server. Once at the server level, simply choose the web application you'd like to manage. In this case, I'll pick the first WordPress site that shows up here. And then from here, you can navigate to the file manager by clicking File Manager in the web application overview page here. RunCloud's file manager is a powerful file management system integrated directly into your RunCloud dashboard, giving you the ability to browse, view, edit, and manage the files and folders in your web application's folder structure right from your browser. And it works out of the box, nothing extra to install or configure. By default, you'll be taken to the root directory of your web application. You'll see a list of the files and folders. The columns in this view show name, size, type, last modification date, and permissions all clearly laid out. Clicking on a folder works just as you'd expect it to. It opens the folder showing its contents. And at the top here, you'll notice the breadcrumb navigation. This makes it very easy to keep track of exactly where you are in the folder structure, as well as making it easy that once you get multiple levels deep, you can easily jump back to any parent directory just by clicking its name in the breadcrumb navigation. This example here is a WordPress site. So if I were looking to make a really quick change to my wp-config file, I would simply scroll down to locate that file and click it here. Alternatively, I could have also used the convenient search. Clicking on a file will open up the editor in a new tab so that you retain your position in the file manager itself. The built-in editor is equipped with everything you'd expect, from syntax highlighting to make it easier to update your files on the fly. When you're done editing your file and ready to commit your changes back to the file, simply hit save and RunCloud will then handle the rest. For those working late at night, the editor also features a dark mode. Your eyes will thank you, as well as the ability to maximize the window to full screen it within the current browser window. Coming back to the file manager itself, here you also have the ability to both create new files and folders, as well as the ability to change file permissions, rename files, delete files, zip files, and unzip files. Obviously, for more complex setups, RunCloud's file manager shouldn't be treated as a replacement for using Git for version control, in the same way that we never encouraged people to use FTP clients in this way. But there's no denying that having direct access to make updates to files on the fly is an incredibly easy way to debug issues, particularly when not using Git for version control anyway, which is very common for small, mid, and lately even larger WordPress projects these days. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of RunCloud's file manager. If you have absolutely any questions for us, please feel free to get in touch. We're here and always happy to help.